Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? So here in this video we're discussing about how to create a Tasker freelancing account and how you can make at least $1,000 per month. So I'll be showing you what a Tasker is all about and how you can actually make money on this platform. So here when I Google search what about all Airtasker is all about. So you can see here where the headquarters was located, Sydney, Australia. The employees are about 175, founded around 2012. So you can see the chairman, the users, it's like about 2 million users. So here we have how it works: earn money online to complete a task, so earn up to $5,000 per month. So I'll be showing you through what Airtasker is all about and how you can actually make money on the platform. So this website is just like other freelancing websites which you might have heard about or have been using before, something like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and other freelancing websites like that. So here, this is what do you need done. So if you are kind of like a buyer or a client looking for someone to perform a task for you, so these are the things you need to do. And if you are a seller on the platform as well, so you need to also go through this page, what the website is all about and how it actually works. So check on the categories to see if your service was listed on the platform. Is computer and IT, photography, movers, sorry, handyman, cooking, design, business, assembly, and all that. So I'm very sure you will be able to find what resonates with your niche on this platform, and from there you can proceed to start freelancing on Airtasker platform. And also they also have app on both Android and Apple device in which you can download and manage your works from there after you have set up your Airtasker Taskers account. Sorry. So as you can also see here, earn up to $5,000 per month completing tasks. You are the boss, payment, top-rated insurance. So all these stuff are what you need to go through before you can get started on the platform. So I'll be showing you through the website homepage as well. So this is connect with expert to get the job done on Airtasker. If you are a buyer or a client looking for someone, so this is for you. It's amazing what you can't do yourself, it's definitely amazing to see someone that can do some stress for you, taking some stress for you and putting you through or solving some problems for you. It's kind of like somehow. So you can also see here some other related service, which are home cleaning, full house removal, few items removal, furniture assembly, and depositing, marketing and design, home and gardening, then anything. So you can see, I'm very sure you'll be able to find what actually relates to your niche. So as you can see here, this thing here is moving one after the other, so you can see the job that people are actually performing to make money on the platform. So I move the mouse on this thing, so that's why it stopped. So it feel like I'm actually checking something. So let's say for instance, help me pack up my house. So definitely this is a kind of like a physical task which you have to visit the client house and move things out. So this is house cleaning, so carpet steam cleaning before moving. So this freelancer have to check on the house and move or clean some stuff before the owner of the house can move in. So like assembling some bed and repositioning some stuffs. So remove cardboard box and also some other stuff. Help with removing some stuff. So you can see how much people are actually making on this platform. Two guys needed to move furniture today, so two guys will definitely make like $246. So there are some different tags like that. So this is on the moving home category. So let's switch to starting a business, so we see how much people are actually making on the platform. So this is a logo designer for photography business. This is Sydney CBD design. This is deliver 1000 letterbox flyer in Kellyville. So bookkeeping and admin and other related service like virtual assistant, social media assistant, and other stuffs. So fixing stuffs, so repair and installation and some other stuffs. So hosting and partying. Sorry, wow, this is like amazing. Something different, you know, something like uncategorized. So something like random. Teach me your family pasta sauce recipe. Wow. Someone to sing happy birthday. Wow, this is so cool. So if you don't have any experience at all, so definitely you're going to make money on this platform. So of course you're going to make a lot of money. So yeah, so if you want to set up your account, oh, I forgot to show you something also. So I just switched to like posting some jobs. So you can see here, these are new tasks. So set up a new basketball ring, pick up 6 pot plants, promote my Kindle books. So if you are into like marketing and all that, so this one is create a LinkedIn profile. So if you are a professional in creating a LinkedIn profile, so you're going to make $50 for doing that for this client. Don't pay. So there are some other tasks like that. So you don't have to have an experience before you can get started on this platform. So this this client haven't hired someone yet, so the job is still available. As you can see here, make an offer. So if I want to apply for this job, so I can definitely click on make an offer here, and as you can see here, this is sign up, become a tasker. So I just click on sign up here. So from there you proceed to the next stage, which will request for your email, your password, or if you want to connect your Google mail to it directly, so you don't have to stress. So let me just try to use email to connect with it. Okay, yeah. So then click on sign up. Let's see how it goes. Okay, full name. Oh yeah, okay. So okay. Oh wow, this is, I want to get things done. I want to earn money. So this is what you click if you want to make money on the platform. So after clicking on the complete my task or complete my profile, so I was redirected to this page due to the fact that I have opened this LinkedIn profile creation before. So I was redirected to this page back. So they think I wanted to apply for this job. So but that's not the fact. So the next thing is just for you to move on to your profile. Then you set up your profile from there. So you set up your portfolio, notification, account, and every other thing you think you need to set up to make your profile 100% complete. So you need to add your profile picture here. You need to add your full name, maybe cover, like something like YouTube cover art, your tagline, if you're a YouTube expert, freelancer, copywriter, video editor, and all that. Then you input your age, your description, then you click on save profile. So if you want to post tax as well, so there are still options here, but I just want to earn money on the platform, so then I'll click on save here, then proceed on to apply for any jobs that relate to my experience. So then from there you start making money on your own. So as you can see here, there are a lot of tasks, like there are a lot of categories on this platform. So as you can see here, different kind of categories, and of course you can see buyers bathroom renovation. So there are lots of things you can actually achieve here. There are lots of things you can actually achieve, and you can get started as soon as possible if you are really interested in making money on this platform. So I hope this video helps you, and if you have any question regarding this video, so you can drop a comment and I'll definitely reply to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.